So first I cut a soda can and isolate the heat into this can and get in there. That was pretty difficult, so I tried something else. I got an old sprinkler body that I didn't need. So you lock this for a few seconds until it locks. Move that into the hole and then grab my hairdryer. Went ahead and used my daughter's hairdryer. Concentrated the heat in there for about 30 seconds. Wasn't doing much. Did another maybe 20 or 30 seconds and then turned it off and tried the water again, and what do you know, it started struggling, and then we got a really solid stream after that. Unlock this. Got our water, and voila. So hopefully that'll fix it. I've also heard you could get some, if it starts getting slushy again, you can stick like a weed eater strand up in that hole and just kind of wiggle it around from time to time when you start to notice that it starts going out on you. But that's what worked for me. Just simple sprinkler body, and then directed the heat from the hairdryer into it. And we're back in business. All right, thanks.